Good evening, everyone. So we're just going to wait for a few people to join in and we're going to get started. So good evening, everyone. I am Chef Aisha and wish all the viewers a happy Independence Day. Hi, welcome. So we'll wait for a few people to join in and we are going to get started, right? So hello everyone, and I am Chef Aisha Nalaset, and I would love to wish all the viewers here a happy Independence Day. Alright, and also I would love to thank Amul for creating this platform, जहाँ हम सब आके, we're doing these lovely tri-colored recipes. So thank you Amul, and thank you Amul for giving me a second opportunity to come and do a live session. So I'm very excited about today's recipe because I'm from Bombay and यहाँ इतना बारिश हो रहा है and especially बारिश में चाट खाने का मज़ा कुछ और ही होता है. So I'm going to show you how to make a very innovative chaat recipe with a twist. ठीक है, it's a fun recipe, बहुत ही simple है, 4 elements है ये recipe में और मैं आपको वो दिखाने वाली हूँ. So we are going to have the recipe that is going to be ready for you all on my Instagram page. So आप recipe के बारे में बिल्कुल stress ना लीजिए, ठीक है? Just follow the recipe on my Insta page or on my Facebook. The whole recipe is there. So we are going to get started with this fun recipe. So I'm just going to move everything and get everything prepared. Now ये recipe में 4 elements है, ठीक है? पहले है पापड़ी और फिर 3 डिप है. जो यूनिक चीज़ है ये रेसिपी के बारे में इस ये 3 डिप आप अलग अलग से भी खा सकते हो, ठीक है? So for the recipe, like I mentioned, you can follow my Instagram page, which is @Aisha Nalaset, which is AYESHANALLASETH. Alright, so let's get started. I'm very excited. हम शुरू कर देंगे. So पहला है पापड़ी, ठीक है? So for the पापड़ी हमें क्या चाहिए इस मल्टीग्रेन आटा, ठीक है? मल्टीग्रेन आटा में नॉर्मली घर पे so Akanksha, even the Facebook page is Aisha Nalaset, which is AYESHANALLASETH. Yes, so with so much rain, chaat is, बनता है, right? So I'm going to get started with the papri, which is मेरे पास आधा कप मल्टीग्रेन फ्लावर है जो मैं घर पे बनाती हूँ. So it's equal quantities of रागी, ज्वार and बाजरा मिक्स करके, तो आप देख सकते हो, ठीक है? So half cup of that, आधा cup of regular आटा, ठीक है? Whole wheat flour, regular whole wheat flour, half a cup, ठीक है? Then my favorite, Amul butter, okay? Amul butter का 1 teaspoon, you can put more, so वो आपके ऊपर है, but it tastes so different with Amul butter, okay? The taste itself is different. So I have Amul butter and then 1 teaspoon of ajwain and we're going to put some salt, ठीक है? Then in this we are going to add about 60 ml of water, alright? Now 60 ml of water is 6 tablespoons, ठीक है? 1 tablespoon is about 10 ml, okay? So we are going to get started. We have to knead it. So I have about 80 ml of water. As I knead it, I'm going to show you, okay? So ये add कर देंगे. धीरे धीरे अच्छे से उसको एक soft dough में बनाना है. Hi, hello. Thank you so much for joining in. This is so exciting. And इतने सारे शेफ्स आज आके अलग अलग ट्राई कलर रेसिपीज उन्होंने बनाया है, which is so amazing, right? So kudos Amul, thank you so much for giving me this platform again. So as I knead the dough, आप देखोगे उसे अच्छे से एक सॉफ्ट डो में बनाना है, alright? इसको मैं बेक करने वाली हूँ. So how are we going to bake it? We preheat our oven to 180 degrees Celsius, ठीक है? So oven को 180 degrees Celsius पे preheat करेगा and then we are going to bake it, alright? For about 18 to 20 minutes or till it's nice and crispy. Okay, so I'm going to show you how the dough looks. We'll just knead it up nicely. आपको सब दिखाई दे रहा है ना? Everyone can see it. So I am making Shini, I'm making a hummus papri chaat trio. Okay, so chaat with a twist. So like you can see here, my dough has come together nicely. उसे अच्छे से जैसे रोटी का आटा गूंदते हैं वैसे ऐसे गूंदना है. Alright. The recipe will be available on my Instagram page or on my Facebook page. You'll get the entire recipe. So like you can see here, ये आटा अच्छे से गूंद लिया है हमने. You can see this. It's nice and soft. तो इतना soft हमें आटा को रखना है. Okay. Now, okay. ये कहाँ से करूँ? Okay. So now I'm going to show you what we do next. अभी ये डो जब नीड होके रेडी हो जाता है, देन उसे अच्छे से एक पतला सा रोटी की तरह रोल आउट करना है. ठीक है. एंड देन यू यूज अ कटर एंड कट इट इनटू पापड़ी शेप. ओके, वो मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी. आई हैव इट रेडी हियर. सो आप ये देख रहे हो ऑलरेडी कटा हुआ. एंड आई जस्ट शो यू हाउ थिन इट इज. इट इज दिस थिन. इतना पतला होना है. एंड उसे अच्छे से राउंड कटर से काट दीजिए. अबाउट 2 इंचेस राउंडल्स काट लो ताकि यू गेट दिस नाइस परफेक्ट शेप. बट अभी ये एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है जो मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ, इज दैट दीज पापड़ीज हैव टू बी डॉक्ड. अभी व्हाट इज डॉक्ड? ऑलराइट, डॉकिंग इज जब आप इसे एक फोक से जस्ट पियर्स करोगे, छोटे छोटे होल्स बनाओगे. ठीक है. अभी ये क्यों करना होता है? ये करना होता है क्योंकि वी डोंट वांट इट टू फूलो, राइट. लाइक अ पानी पूरी का पूरी आपको फूला हुआ नहीं चाहिए. सो आपको फ्लैट पापड़ी चाहिए. इसीलिए उसे अगर आप डॉक करोगे तो वो फूलेगा नहीं. ऑलराइट. सो वंस यू डॉक इट, और मैं आपको पास लेके दिखाऊंगी. वंस दीज आर डॉक्ड, फिर आप ओवन में डाल दीजिए बेकिंग के लिए. ऑलराइट. सो लाइक यू कैन सी योर छोटे छोटे होल्स आप देखोगे. ठीक है. दैट्स व्हाट वी नीड. एंड देन वी पुट इट इन द ओवन एट 180 डिग्रीज सेल्सियस फॉर 18 to 20 मिनट्स. ठीक है. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू जो पापड़ी ऑलरेडी मैंने बना दिया है. आई हैव स्टोर्ड इट इन एन एयर टाइट कंटेनर. हाय एवरीवन, थैंक यू फॉर जॉइनिंग इन. हाय महिमा, हाय. सो मैंने पापड़ी ऑलरेडी बना दी है, आप देख सकते हो. और छोटे छोटे होल्स भी देख सकते हो. सो ऐसे मैंने पापड़ी बेक करके रेडी कर दिया है. आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू द क्रैक. ठीक है. सो दे आर नाइस एंड क्रंची एंड क्रिस्पी. ओके, सो योर पापड़ी इज रेडी. नाउ आफ्टर द पापड़ी हम पहले एलिमेंट पे जाएंगे. ओके, फर्स्ट एलिमेंट. Hi. Okay, go to doctor. Okay, so we have, alright, so we have some people asking about how coronavirus will go. I'm a chef, that I can't tell you. Okay, what atta for this papri? So I'm going to repeat myself, Yasmin. The atta that is used is half a cup of multigrain atta, which I make at home, which is equal quantities of jowar, bajra and ragi. Okay, half a cup of that, and half a cup of regular आटा जो घर पे पड़ा होता है चपाती के लिए, that. Then salt, 1 teaspoon of butter, water which is about 60 ml, and ajwain seeds. Alright? Alright, so Ringu, you'll find the detailed recipe on my Instagram page. I have started with the papdi first, and we are going to go on to the other dips. Okay, now what all the toppings are going to be. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. पहला टॉपिंग है, ठीक है. I'm going to show you. Alright. So पहला टॉपिंग है is a Moroccan carrot dip. Okay, which I have here. ठीक है, आप देख सकते हो. ये सुंदर सा कैरेट डिप है. बहुत ही सिंपल और इजी है. All you need for this dip is boiled carrots. ठीक है. And then we are going to take some lasan. Okay, or garlic. Yes, absolutely, you can use ghee as well, but I prefer Suman using Amul butter because it just gives another taste. But you can definitely use Amul ghee also. ठीक है. So now what is important, और ये point पे we need to saute. ठीक है, मतलब कुक द कैरेट एंड गार्लिक, और उसे प्यारा सा गोल्डन ब्राउन करना है. Ruchika, I am going to repeat it again. Anup, I am also going to repeat the papri recipe again. I'm just going to get started with the carrot dip and repeat that, okay? Okay, which rod, but so in an oven you bake it at 180 degrees, Ruchika. 180 for 18 to 20 minutes. Okay, so 1 teaspoon of Amul butter, my favorite. Okay, 1 teaspoon. What is important here now is that जब कैरेट कैरेमलाइज हो जाता है ना, थोड़ा सा लाइट हल्का ब्राउन होता है, वो टेस्ट बहुत अच्छा लगता है डिप में. सो वी आर गोइंग टू जस्ट पुट इन सम गार्लिक, ओके, 2 to 3 pieces of garlic, ओके. उसे अच्छे से गोल्डन ब्राउन, आई होप यू ऑल कैन सी द पैन, ओके. उसे गोल्डन ब्राउन करेंगे और साथ में ये बॉइल्ड कैरेट्स हम इसमें ऐड करेंगे. सो उसे सारा हम गोल्डन ब्राउन करेंगे, ओके. सो while this cooks, I'm going to repeat the papri recipe again. So for the papri recipe, आपको मल्टीग्रेन हाफ कप चाहिए. मल्टीग्रेन में नॉर्मली घर पे यूज बनाती हूँ, विच इज़ ज्वार का आटा, बाजरा का आटा एंड ज्वार बाजरा एंड रागी आटा, तीनों आटा को अच्छे से आप मिक्स कर लीजिए. एंड हाफ अ कप ऑफ दैट एंड हाफ कप ऑफ रेगुलर आटा, होल व्हीट आटा, ठीक है, वो ले लीजिए. 60 ml ऑफ वाटर, विच इज़ अबाउट 6 tablespoons ऑफ वाटर, salt and ajwain and 1 tablespoon of butter, okay. Then you nicely make a soft dough. उसे अच्छे से रोटी की तरह लंबा थिन रोल कर दीजिए, राउंड कटर से काट दीजिए. देन यू डॉक द डो. सो एक टूथपिक या एक फोर्क को लेके उसे पियर्स कर लो एंड देन यू बेक इट एट 180 degrees Celsius for 18 to 20 minutes. Okay, alright, I don't have the COVID-19 vaccine. I am sorry, I think you're on the wrong page, alright? But we're going to get back to this recipe. Absolutely, Roshi, you can skip the garlic if you don't want garlic, not a problem at all. This I'm adding because it just gives more depth to the dip, okay? Okay, we are not frying it. We are pan frying it with a little bit of butter to make it nice and golden brown, ठीक है? So इसको अच्छे से हम पका देंगे, उसे golden brown color देंगे, and then what do we do? Yes, you can fry it if you want, but that just gets too oily. That's why I'm pan frying it. Alright, it just gives a better taste, and garlic also nicely. The taste of garlic and the carrot cooking together tastes very good. So that's why I'm just sauteing it, like you can see here. Okay, so once this happens, फिर उसे प्योरे करना है. बेक के बाद फ्राई ऑयल. Okay, so पापड़ी बनाने के बाद you can deep fry it if you want, but I would recommend no. I would say bake it. It's much tastier, much crunchier. Bhavesh, I am going to get back to you with the papri recipe, but right now I'm on the carrot dip. Okay, so I'm going to show you the carrot dip and then we'll get back to the papri. Alright, thank you so much Vibha, thank you. Okay, so you can see here कि ये हमने अच्छे से, I'm going to show you one. आप अगर देख सकते हो, nice brown color आ रहा है इस पे. That's what we want, okay? अब क्या करना है? अब इसे अच्छे से रूम टेम्परेचर पे लाके फिर मिक्सी में, okay, मिक्सी में चलाना है. So how are we going to चलाओ it in the mixie? What we're going to do is 1 चम्मच तहीना पेस्ट डालना है, ठीक है? Little bit of lemon juice, salt, okay, and we have paprika powder and jeera powder. Now tahina paste, okay. How are we going to make tahina? Okay, thank you Vijay, but I will explain it once again. Thank you so much. Okay, so how are we going to make tahina paste? Tahina paste बहुत ही simple है. आप sesame seeds लीजिए, ठीक है? तिल seeds, उसको रोस्ट करिए और ऑलिव ऑयल डाल के उसे ब्लेंड कर दीजिए ताकि वो पूरा पेस्टी बन जाए. So that's how you make tahina. इतना सा सिंपल है, okay? That is how tahina is made. Now for this dip हम क्या करेंगे? Garlic, carrot, tahina, lemon juice, पेपरिका पाउडर या रेड चिली पाउडर एंड जीरा पाउडर एंड सॉल्ट डाल के उसे अच्छे से ब्लेंड करिए ताकि आपको ये कंसिस्टेंसी मिले. सो आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू हाउ टू डू दैट. ओके, आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू, बट आई एम यूजिंग अ चॉपर जिसमें यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू गेट दैट परफेक्ट स्मूथ टेक्सचर. ठीक है, सो ये मिक्सी में बनता है. मुझे मिक्सी ऑन नहीं करना था यहाँ पर बिकॉज इट वुड मेक लॉट ऑफ नॉइज. ओके, सो मैं इसमें डाल के आपको दिखाऊंगी. Alright, Tarunika, I am making hummus papri chaat trio. Okay, this dip will last up to 2 to 3 days max in the temperature. I mean, in the refrigerator. Okay, so please don't keep it longer than that. Now I'm going to put this in my chopper. ठीक है, ये थोड़ा गर्म है, so उसे slight room temperature पे आने देंगे, and then we are going to quickly, okay, so I am just going to replace my pan. 1 teaspoon of tahina, as I explained. Okay, so Ruchika, if you don't, today I am using carrots because I want to make a trio recipe to represent the flag of India. Alright, if you don't want carrots, you can use pumpkin. There are so many other veggies that can be used. Hi Rati. So 1 teaspoon of tahina, 1 squeeze of lemon juice, ठीक है, half a teaspoon of roasted jeera powder, half a teaspoon of paprika powder या red chili powder, ठीक है, and a little bit of salt. That's it. हम इसे अच्छे से blend कर देंगे. Alright. Okay, so tahina paste can be stored for a longer period of time because आप बहुत सारा तेल डाल रहे हो उसमें, right? So it's not a problem. Thank you so much, Mahimita. Thank you so much. Sorry about that, but we will keep repeating it. Saima, you can use maybe tomatoes instead of capsicum. Okay? Okay, so this needs to blend to this consistency. Alright, and I'm not going to waste my time showing you how long this will take to blend because we'll eat up on everyone's time. So I'm going to get to the second dip, but I want to show you this consistency. वो ऐसे smooth सा consistency आप देखोगे, ठीक है? So this is the consistency of the dip. I will recap the recipe, Molly, in some time. Okay, just give me some time. I want to just get this recipe out. I'm adding a little bit of olive oil to this just to get the consistency right, but this is a chopper. You're not going to get a smooth consistency in this. So you can add salt, Akanksha, if you want, but it's not required because आप plain tahina कभी खाओगे नहीं, आप उसे mix करके खाओगे. So don't add salt. Add olive oil and your sesame seeds roast करके, and then store it in the refrigerator. And ensure कि जब आप उसे भरते हो बॉटल में ऊपर ऑयल डाल के रखिएगा, ठीक है? Okay, let's see the dip. Okay, let me see. Okay, so it's not that bad, alright, but it's not like you would get in a mixie, alright, but this is how the dip looks. Okay, so this is one dip which I was excited about. It's a Moroccan carrot dip. I am going to get on to my favorite dip, जो मुझे आपको दिखाना है. It's my favorite dip, alright. हमेशा खाती हूँ ये dip. Alright, this is Turkish hummus. Okay, why olive oil, not other oil? Okay, olive oil just has a very different taste, and that is why olive oil tastes very nice with these dips. Olive oil is a salad oil, so you can use any salad oil that is available. Okay. Alright, so my page is @Aisha Nalaset. Okay, so I have boiled Kabuli chana 1 cup. ठीक है, मैं उसको सारा ऐड कर दूंगी. Please guys excuse no mixie because it will make too much noise. ठीक है, I don't want to make too much noise on the live session. That's why I'm using a chopper. Alright, so the consistency is never the same. Okay, so now to the chickpeas we're going to add some salt. ठीक है, then favorite garlic, Okay, we have about 3-4 spoons of garlic, 1 squeeze of lemon. You can then adjust it later, and again a teaspoon of tahina. Tahina also thickens your dip, you know. जब आप tahina डालते हो तो dip thick हो जाता है. And now in this hummus, I am adding hung curd, Amul hung curd, okay, which is extremely rich and tasty. Okay, boiled chickpeas, yes, Madhumita, after soaking it overnight. Soak your chickpeas overnight, and then, so about a teaspoon to a tablespoon of hung curd, okay, and then we add some olive oil. Okay, olive oil tastes very nice in hummus. So about a teaspoon to a tablespoon of olive oil. ज़्यादा भी डालोगे तो there is no problem at all. All right. Sorry guys, I spilled some olive oil. Okay, so I'm going to now quickly start to chop it up. So I hope we get that texture and that consistency. What is tahina? Yakchika, sorry, Miss Agarwal, I'm going to say tahina is basically til. ठीक है, आप तिल ले लो, तिल को आप रोस्ट करो पैन पे और उसे तेल के साथ ब्लेंड कर दीजिए एक पेस्ट बनाने के लिए. ठीक है, ऑलराइट. Madhumita, you can add parsley if you like. I'm not adding parsley, and normally hummus में we don't add parsley. Tahina is sesame seed paste. ठीक है. Alright, so we're just going to keep pulling till we get a nice creamy texture. This is a Turkish hummus. Normally original hummus में आप lemon salt डालते हैं, which is not easily available in India. That is why we've added lemon juice. ठीक है, lemon salt is very different. It is salt with the flavor of lemon. ठीक है, so this can definitely be creamier. Okay, all right, definitely be creamier, which will look exactly like this. आपको दिख रहा है ये creaminess? जब आप मिक्सी में उसे blend करोगे, this is the creamy texture आपको मिलने वाला है. ठीक है, so that's it. This is your chickpea Turkish hummus. All right. Now we're going to go to the fourth element. All right. Fourth element of our dip, which is my favorite. Okay. Since I'm in Bombay, okay, part Maharashtrian, thecha is my favorite, all-time favorite. Okay. So thecha मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ, all-time favorite. Before I do that, yes, butter. So you saute your green chili, ठीक है, and garlic in butter. Okay. And why I always put butter is it just उसका टेस्ट ही अलग हो जाता है. ठीक है, when you add butter. So उसे अच्छे से आप सॉटे करेंगे. तो पहले जाएगा गार्लिक. ओके, गार्लिक को हम गोल्डन ब्राउन करेंगे. ओके, just want a higher temperature so it gets nice and brown. And then we're going to add 4 green chilies. उसको तोड़ देंगे. Alright, and then we have peanuts, roasted peanuts. I've used 1 teaspoon of butter saima. Okay, 1 teaspoon. So इसे सारा अच्छे से आप golden brown. Now थेचा याद रखें, सबके घर में अलग बनता है थेचा. Okay, it's like दाल मखनी और सांबर कि हर घर में अलग बनता है. So that way थेचा भी अलग बनता है. मैं आपको मेरा वर्जन दिखा रही हूँ जो मुझे अच्छा लगता है, पर बहुत लोग सिर्फ रॉ चिलीज को सॉटे नहीं करते, ऐसे ही यूज़ करते हैं. So we are going to saute the chilies and the garlic till golden brown. कि जब तक आप थोड़ा blisters देखोगे ना चिली पर, तब तक. Okay. Now once you saute that, okay, so switch camera. You can see it, right? You can see my. I don't want to change the angle too much. Okay, but I'm sure you can see it cooking. I'm going to get the pan closer to you, Renu. Renu, मैं pan fast में लाऊंगी, आप देख सकोगे. नहीं, so इसमें मैंने seed नहीं निकाला है. Pravita, I have not removed the seeds. Okay, और वो spiciness चाहिए होता है. Okay, Okay, great, Madhumita, you can see. So, इसको अच्छे से make it nice and golden brown and let it get blisters. Peanuts, you can take 2 to 3 tablespoons. I have roasted peanuts here. अगर आपके पास peanuts नहीं है roasted, तो आप इसमें add कर सकते हो. Alright? So, there you go. Now I'm getting the smell of chilies, you know, where the burning smell is coming. I'm making thecha. अभी मैं बंद कर रही हूँ. Okay, I've switched it off. Okay, I'm gonna get this close for you all to see. आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पर blistered chilies दिख रहे हैं. The chilies like this have been blistered. ठीक है? So, all right. Hi. Okay. Hi. All right. This recipe's name is hummus papri chaat. Okay. Now we're going to add the peanuts. So about 2 to 3 teaspoons of peanut. Okay. Give it a quick stir. Because ये already roasted peanuts है, तो हमें roast करने की और ज़रूरत नहीं है, ठीक है? So इसे अच्छे से roast कर लो. And now मिक्सी में again आपको चलाना है ये with धनिया, fresh धनिया, lemon juice and salt. That's it. So once you चलाओ this in the mixie, okay, you are going to get a texture like this. ठीक है? हमें ज़्यादा तेल, ज़्यादा पानी कुछ नहीं, ये ड्राई टेक्सचर ऐसे मिलेगा आपको. ओके, सो दिस इज सो गुड. ओके, एंड सो यमी विथ अ पराठा और अ ठेपला. इट जस्ट टेस्ट यम. और आप ऐसे प्लेन भी खा सकते हो. मैं आपको इसको मिक्सी में चला के नहीं दिखाने वाली हूँ क्योंकि बहुत आवाज़ आती है. बट आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू हाउ द 3 dips are going to look. So we have 1, 2 and 3. So here are the 3 dips. I'm going to move everything away so that you all can see it. Okay. So there you go. All our 3 dips are here. And now is the time to assemble. Okay. हम assemble करेंगे हमारा पापड़ी चाट. That's the most exciting bit. Okay. So airtight container में पापड़ी है. So we are going to take पापड़ी. I'm going to put 3 here. Okay, let's do 4. All right, nice 4 papris. Okay, this is cracked. I'm going to use this one. Okay, so like you can see, I have 4 papris, and I'm going to get this here so that you all can see it. So everyone can see it here. First, we put hummus, and I'm going to put on my gloves so that in case I have to touch anything. Yeah, so thank you so much, Anjuji. Thank you. Sorry, Khushbu. You know, it's the Baba effect. So I'm a Parsi and I do have a funny Hindi accent at times. At times, not always. Yes, Aarti, you can use red chilies. Not a problem. Papri, I will repeat this thing. Let me just you know, assemble this and then we are going to get to it. So pehle I'm going to put some hummus. Okay, little bit. I'm going to get it close, so don't worry about that at all. Okay, little bit of hummus in the center. Okay, and then we are going to put a beautiful trio together. It should look really pyara. All right. There you go. Okay, now what we're going to do is put on some carrot. So we have the beautiful carrot, Moroccan carrot dip, which is going to go on top for all of them. And then we have the thecha. So it's, you know, सारे balanced flavors है, ठीक है? सारे balanced flavors है. Where you have little sweetness, you have sourness, you have the spiciness. All of it is well balanced. Okay, and now I'm going to put thecha with my fingers because it's dry, so we want it to stick to the hummus. All right, so there we go. We have some thecha put here, which is going to give us this beautiful Tiranga flag on our little papri. Okay, and I'm then going to lift one up and show it to you all to see how it looks. Okay, and there you go. We are ready. One little pomegranate. I'm sorry guys, I'm just going to assemble it, and I'm going to quickly repeat the recipe for y'all today again. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly show this to y'all. And that's it. One little dhania patta. I'm going to take a teeny tiny one, and that's it. So there you go. This really pyara sa tri-colored hummus papri chaat. I'm going to give you a recap, but check out the hummus papri chaat. Okay, so this is it. Oops, there you go. Okay, so you have the hummus papri chaat, which is completely ready. Super easy to make. It's really cute as well. Okay, thank you so much. So I'm going to quickly repeat the recipe. So the recipe is divided into 4 elements. एक है पापड़ी, ठीक है? You have the papri, then you have the Moroccan carrot dip, then you have hummus, and then you have thecha. Okay? Now, Vande Mataram, thank you. So then what we are going to do? पापड़ी के लिए बहुत simple recipe है. आप multigrain आटा लीजिए, which is jowar, bajra and ragi atta, all mixed together equally. So आप उसका 1 cup लीजिए. Then you take, half a cup of multigrain atta and half a cup of regular atta. Okay, you mix that together. Add 60 ml of water, 1 teaspoon of butter, ajwain 1 teaspoon, and salt. Knead everything into a soft, nice dough. और फिर उसे रोटी की तरह लंबा सा स्प्रेड करके रोल कर दीजिए और उसे राउंड कटर से काट दीजिए. फिर उसे डॉक कर दीजिए. डॉक का क्या मतलब? You take a fork and you know prick the papdi. फिर आप उसे बेक कर दीजिए 180 degrees for 18 to 20 minutes. Okay, so that is how you make papdi. For the carrot dip, you're going to do boiled carrots. Then you saute the boiled carrots with a little bit of garlic, and फिर उसे अच्छे से प्योरे कर दो with tahini. Thank you so much. Thank you, Jyoti. Thank you so much, Anju. Thank you. Then you're going to blend it with tahini, jeera powder, a little bit of paprika powder, salt and lemon juice. और फिर आपको ऐसा dip मिलेगा. ठीक है? What is tahini? Tahini is sesame seed paste. Okay? So आप roasted sesame को roast करिएगा and उसे olive oil के साथ blend कर दो to a paste. और फिर olive oil ऊपर से डाल दीजिए. Okay? Then for the hummus, you take 1 cup of chickpeas, tahini 1 teaspoon, lemon juice, garlic and salt. और उसे अच्छे से blend कर दीजिए and hung curd. Hung curd is because we are making a Turkish hummus. Okay? Then you, for the thecha, you take green chilies, peanuts and garlic. उसे saute कर दो to golden brown. उसे फिर blend कर दीजिए with some coriander and lemon juice और thecha ready है. उसको roughly chop करना है. और फिर आप उसे assemble करो. So that's it. So it's a very simple recipe, very easy to do, and आप बच्चों को भी engage कर सकते हो, right? So my Facebook page is Aisha Nallaseth, which is AYESHA NALLASETH. Alright, and so is my Instagram page, which is AYESHA NALLASETH. Any substitute. Okay, so if you don't have tahina, please don't use it. It's not a problem. It's not a problem at all. Don't use it. Thank you, Yasmin. It is different, right? My page name, as I said, is like you can see the link here. It is Aisha Nallaseth. Alright, thank you so much for joining in, and wish everyone a happy Independence Day. It was such a nice session, so lovely that all of you all could join in, and we had such an interactive session. Thank you, Amul, for giving me another opportunity to come today and do a live session, especially on this special occasion. So thank you, everyone. Thank you so much, Anjuji. Thank you. So if you have any further questions, we have a minute or they're going to get really mad at me. So we have a minute and you can ask me any questions or else we are good. Thank you so much, Pravita, thank you. So Nikita, the recipe name is hummus papri chaat trio. I'm going to pick it up and show it to you once again. This is how it looks, tri-colored papri chaat. Super, thank you. Second recipe, so the first recipe that I did was a month back, and this is the second recipe that I'm doing today. So happy Independence Day, everyone. Thank you so much for joining in. Thank you so much. Thank you. It was a pleasure. Thank you so much. I'm going to see you all very, very soon with another live session. I hope so. And we will do another fun recipe. Thank you, Bhavesh ji. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, so you can use all three dips, you know, just as separate dips. I will definitely eat for you, Saima. Thank you. Thank you, Nina. Thank you, guys. Thank you once again and wish everyone a happy Independence Day. Have a great day ahead and see you all very, very soon. Bye. Please bite into it. Okay, I can eat it. All right. Very well. It's spicy. It has the sweetness of the carrot. Okay. Sweetness of carrot, spicy. Hummus gives it that flat, bland flavor. And the pomegranate is, you know, that sweet touch. So it's really yum. It's tasty. It's healthy. And all using Amul products. Thank you so much. Dip ko not more than 2 to 3 days. Okay, don't keep it more than 2 to 3 days. Alright. Great, guys. It was a lovely session. Okay, we are out of time now. See you all very, very soon. Okay, bye. Have a great weekend and stay safe. Stay at home and happy Independence Day, everyone. See you very, very soon. Bye bye.